All right, guys, we got a 2007 Z06 in here. Very clean, only has 8,000 miles on it. It's in for a stage 3 package, which is heads cam. It's getting a Haltech intake as well and American Racing headers. Customer also stated that he was having issues going into first and reverse, I believe, and after doing a little diagnosing, the pedal is very spongy and goes to the floor, so we will be replacing the clutch master cylinder. We also didn't baseline it because of the clutch issue it was having, so we do not have a baseline number. All right, guys, we're back with an update on this low mileage yellow car. I have the heads ripped off, the radiator's out, pretty much torn down to a short block here. I'm getting ready to take the crank pulley off, get the front cover off. I'll get the old cam out, the new one in, and then start assembly of putting the heads back on, headers, and getting it back together. All right, here we go. Out with the old cam.
Maybe. Oh, right there, beautiful. So we got the cam in. What is your order of attack here? Huh.
Timing set will go on, oil pump, front cover back on, crank pulley back on, the rack back in, and then put the heads on.
Eric's getting them put on. Here we go.
Come on, line up on the dial for me, baby.
There it is. And they look good.
Yep, here we are, just doing it big over here. There we go. Okay, 2007 C6Z. Thing's got 8,000 miles on it, nice and fresh. We did not baseline it. The master cylinder, I don't know if it was a master or a slave. Whatever. I think the master was messed up because the pedal was like stuck to the floor when it got here. So I got our full stage 3. Yeah, it did not get a clutch, but it did get a master, so we changed master. So got our heads cam package. Inch and 7/8 American Racing headers with cats, Haltech 108, and a master cylinder. So we do not have a baseline on this, like I said, but it is what it is. We couldn't baseline it when it didn't have a clutch pedal. I don't know where the fan remote is. I'll be right back. See what she's got.
605, 535.
It was a little rich.
Can you drag that bottom thing up again? Thank you. You don't have to go that high, go a little bit less.
Yeah. That good?
Yeah, that's good, thank you.
Yo, it is cooking today. Cooking.
Go click on that. I think it's gonna go to 610. Yeah.
610, 537. This is making really good torque, which tells me that if like we upgraded this thing to like a stage 4, it would make a lot of power, because it's definitely starving on the intake side of it. Drops down to 97 kPa. I added half a degree of timing. Actually, I had a half a degree timing down low. I'm gonna add a full degree above 5600. This does have cats, so I'll make another pull or two, and then it'll be pretty close, and then we'll let it cool down.
And 537 again, so I'm gonna let this thing chill. Maybe 20 minutes, something, we'll be back. All right, feel like a 25-minute cool down. Made 611 last pull. Went up a half a horsepower after we clicked it. Three pounds of oil pressure, mint. Wanna go click on that? .616, 544 torque,
Killer. That's awesome torque on a stage 3. Sucks we didn't know what this thing baseline, but we weren't going to fix the master and then put it back on the dyno, whatever. Either way, should be super happy with that. And like I said, it's ridiculous out today. Let's see what the feel like temperature is. Pretty sure it's like 97 or 98 outside. I just walked out there for about 3 minutes because I had to send someone a text message that has a stupid Android, and this building gets like no service. So I couldn't send it with Wi-Fi like a normal human in 2025. So I had to walk outside to send a text message. And yeah, it's spicy. And yes, if you have an Android that's a dig at you, you can yell in the comments to how much better they are. I don't really care. Yeah, it says it's 94 outside. It feels like 104. It's spicy. But this weekend is going to be killer. But we're supposed to get 2 inches of rain tomorrow, so obviously that's going to cool it off some. Either way, this thing is sick. Very clean car. Local guy. He's in Delaware. Bought it actually from a local Delaware dealership, Audi dealership. So maybe someone traded it in for some sort of an Audi. Either way, that's that. 616, 544. Normal stage 3. Let's get it.